tập hiệp hiệp á your body you not your water your good water
No way.
No way. Có đáp đối dương ta no way.
What? You lazy?
Chill.
You lazy?
Yeah, lazy.
Ôi, you ugly your body your face you so is a
Đây ba tiệm thom đá đấy mà.
Your body
Ôi bà.
đây trôi cái này khoan trôi.
Trôi rồi con.
Your part is a lazy because you but your face you not moon not chươm and your face you so smooth. Your face you so smooth.
I don't know.
You speak. I speak. You don't know.
I can speak with you.
Oh, you can speak. But you speak English.
Yeah,
you forget.
You
speak. Oh, I'm sorry.
I can speak with you.
I can't speak with you.
You can speak with you. But you speak English.
Forget.
You forget.
I forget.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. បងខ្ញុំស្រឡាញ់ត្រូវឡើយនេះបងយមើអកន្លែងនេះ
Tập hiệp hiệp á.
យមើ
Tập hiệp hiệp á. Your body you not your water.
No way.
No way.
What you
អើយបាទដល់ពេលតែពិតខ្ញុំមើលវីដេអូនេះខ្ញុំនឹកឃើញរៀនយកអង់គ្លេសដំបូងតែភាសាអង់គ្លេសភាសាថៃតែពិតរៀនបែបហ្នឹងឆាប់ចេះនិយាយបងប្អូនតែមានជាការសម្ដែងចង់និយាយថាការខ្ញុំរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសភាសាថៃដំបូងគឺពេលដែលអនុវត្តនិយាយយើងអត់ចេះទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងចឹងក៏ទៅលាយខ្មែរខ្លះលាយអង់គ្លេសខ្លៅទៅថាខ្ញុំទៅវត្តធ្វើបន់ហ្នឹងទៅយើងដឹងថាទៅវត្ត I go to the monastery ដល់ពេលធ្វើបន់នឹងអង់គ្លេសថាម៉េច so I go to the monastery ធ្វើបន់ហើយI ឧទ្ទិសកុសលទៅឪពុកម្ដាយណាដែលបានចែកឋានទៅហើយ I go to monastery ធ្វើបុណ្យហើយឧទ្ទិសកុសលហ្នឹងដើម្បីឧទ្ទិសកុសលហ្នឹងអង់គ្លេសគេថាម៉េចអត់ចេះទេទៅឥឡូវអត់ដឹងថាឧទ្ទិសកុសលថា dedicate my good deed ណា dedicate my good action to my parents who passed away អីចឹងមកចាដល់ពេលខ្ញុំមើលបងអូនស្រីយូរ៉ាជាមួយនឹងពូសំផនណាពូសំផនមកគាត់គេថាមានអំណោយទានបាទស្ដាប់កាន់យ៉ាងលេទៅនេះខ្ញុំនៅតែអត់ចិត្តដល់កន្លែងនេះចង់អាស្រ័យកន្លែងគាត់ថា no way មិនចង់គាត់និយាយថាម៉េច
តែភាពyour body you not your water
No way.
No way.
What you
និយាយទៅចឹងសម្រាប់បងប្អូនដែលរៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសខ្ញុំគិតថាវីដេអូនេះអាចថាកំ pl ែងអីចឹងទៅគួរអស់សម្លាយក៏ប៉ុន្តែវាជាមេរៀនមួយសម្រាប់អ្នករៀនភាសាអង់គ្លេសបងប្អូនដែលចង់បកកែនិយាយកុំចាំតតែយើងចេះគ្រប់ឲ្យបាននិយាយអត់ទេផ្ដើមដោយការនិយាយរពាក់រប៉ក់ចេះប៉ុណ្ណានិយាយប៉ុណ្ណឹងឲ្យបញ្ចូលស្អីខ្លះហ្នឹងតាមយើង body language ខ្លះទៅអញ្ចឹងណានេះគឺជាចំណែកមួយនៃការអនុវត្តភាសាអង់គ្លេសដែរអញ្ចឹងបងប្អូនដែលចង់បកកែឆាប់ចេះនិយាយធ្វើដូចគាត់ទៅបងប្អូនបាទno way but do you go to pagoda it's not low you know it's not so hard to speak English you speak English fast and then they don't understand what you are talking about you know so if you really want to improve your English speaking skill learn vocabulary and try to pronounce it clearly and easy to be understood don't try to speak fast. Hello, good morning and hello from Dampo and Jadai Wat Kampang. I'm very happy and this is a short video about how to sharpen or improve our English speaking skill. Some of my students are asking me, teacher, I know a lot of vocabulary, I know grammar, I know how to write paragraph in English, but I still cannot speak English. I don't feel confident when I speak English. Yeah, this is a problem. When I study English from the first time, You know, it was so difficult to speak English. I know vocabulary, I know grammar. I focus too much on grammar because when I speak, I'm afraid that I may make mistake with grammar rule, and my pronunciation was very bad. Yeah, I know. I understand. I can feel you. I can feel you. I know what you are talking about. This is a problem. But this short video, I want to tell you, when you learn a new word, you know, and when you practice speaking, don't try to speak fast. It is useless, you know, to speak English fast, but the listener, they don't understand what you are talking about. You know, it's not Loi, you know, it's not Songha to speak English alone. It's not Songha to speak English fast. It's not Loi, it's not Songha. When you speak English fast and then they don't understand what you are talking about. You know, so if you really want to improve your English speaking skill, learn vocabulary and try to pronounce it clearly and easy to be understood. Don't try to speak fast, and then make your own sentences. Practice speaking and speaking and speaking. And I know it's a nature, you know. It's okay to make a mistake with grammar. I know. When I say like this, it doesn't mean that grammar is not important, you know. Grammar is very important for us to learn, but don't be stressful with that. When you speak English, try your best to speak it out. Try your best to speak it out, but don't try to speak fast, okay? And think in English and try to practice speaking alone or with your partner, but don't try to speak fast, okay? And with pronunciation, it's very important when we learn, and then try to sharpen your English pronunciation. And you know, we are not a native speaker. When we speak English, even though we cannot pronounce English correctly or naturally like a native speaker, because we are not the owner of English language. So anyway, try our best to learn how to pronounce that word by checking IPA, as I told you, or I share with you guys about how to check your pronunciation. But don't worry, when you speak English, don't try to speak like a native speaker, but try your best to speak and make them understand what you are talking about. You know. But anyway, try to speak English clearly. Clearly. But not like a native speaker. We cannot speak like a native speaker because we are in Cambodia and we are grown up. We started learning English when we are, you know, old. You know, I started learning English when I was around 20, 21. So I cannot pronounce like a native speaker, but I try my best to speak clearly. That is easy to be understood. They understand what I'm talking about. That's it. That's it. So you too, when you learn English, don't worry about pronunciation like you try your best to pronounce like a native speaker. We cannot, but try to speak something that is easy to be understood. They understand what you're talking about. This is what we should do. This is what we should do. Teacher, when I speak, I feel shy. I know vocabulary, I know grammar, I know sentences, but I cannot speak. I feel shy. I know. I cannot say don't be shy, you know. I cannot say like that because it is a nature. It is belong to nature. So it's okay. When you are shy, it's okay. But if you really want to improve your speaking, try your best to speak. I cannot say don't be shy, but try your best to talk. Where can you start? Speak alone. Speak alone. And then if you feel confident, if you want to ask yourself that if what I'm talking alone, if other people understand what I'm talking, so use your sentences to practice with them. If they understand what you are talking, you are the best. Okay? And learning a language, it takes time. It's a long process learning. You cannot be perfect. So I want to talk to you. Learn every day, step by step, little by little. Practice it again and again every day. Learning new word every day. Practice speaking and don't try to speak fast. Okay? And you are learning grammar, but when you speak, don't worry too much about grammar. Just try your best to speak it out. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye.